Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the simple Houseware Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, a versatile cleaning essential that comes in a convenient 150 pack with 4 vibrant colors: green, yellow, blue, and orange. These rectangular, modern-style cloths are made from a high-quality microfiber blend of 15% nylon and 85% polyester, ensuring they are super soft and non-abrasive, so you can clean without worrying about scratching surfaces, paints, or coats. With the impressive ability to hold 8 times their weight in liquid, these cloths dry quickly, making them perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home or office. Each cloth measures 12 by 16 inches, providing ample surface area for tackling even the toughest cleaning jobs. Whether you're wiping down countertops, polishing furniture, or detailing your car, these solid patterned, multicolor cloths are designed to deliver exceptional performance every time. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, the simple Houseware Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are a must-have addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.